plant emergency, plant rescue. This is a gorgeous tiny basket I have. It's really been struggling. And if you look closely, you can see some of the leaves are curled. And I think I figured out the reason. The location is correct. The fertilizing's been happening. I've been watering it a lot, but here's the problem. When I water it, this is what happens. Watch. Watch. This is not what we want. All of the water is pouring right through the plant, so it's not staying in there long enough for the roots to absorb it. A couple of reasons that's happening. One is because of this liner. I love these natural fiber liners, but there's nothing inside the liner to hold the water in. It's probably also growing so much that there's more roots than soil, so the water is flowing through the roots. So what are we gonna do about it? So I have a plan. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I love using things I have around the house because I don't like running errands. So what I'm gonna do is take this down, take the plant out, and I'm gonna line the bottom of this with coffee filters. Why not, right? Coffee filters will hopefully slow the roll, so the water won't run through it as quickly, but it still allows for good drainage. Because what you don't want to do is line this with something that would prevent all drainage, because then you have to deal with root rot. So I'm going to take it out, line it, and then we'll try it again and see. Hopefully the water won't flow through as quickly. So come join me if you want, and we'll do it together. Let's go. Let's pull this baby out of here. Should be interesting. Oh yeah. All right, yeah, and there's plenty of roots, but there's roots, but there's still plenty of soil in here. So I really think the issue is the liner. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's just pretty thin. Okay, so if you look, it's a little hard to see, but you can pretty much see through this liner. It's very thin and very porous. Now, I could run out and get a different liner, but no, I'm not going to. I'm going to try plan A. And what I'm going to do is, again, just line this with coffee filters. And if this doesn't work, we'll go to plan B. See that? All right, now we're going to return the soil and the plant, and all will be well. And then stay till the end of the video, because we're going to water it and see what happens. And hopefully the water won't run through like it did before. And I'm going to add a little bit more soil to fill that in. Okay, let's water this baby, and hopefully the water will not pour out as fast. And my little hack worked. Oh, some of the soil's running off, but that's okay. Come on. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much better. Yay! Now there's some dripping, which we want. But it's not pouring out. The water's not pouring out like it was before. So I would call this success. Follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I'll do an update and show you how this plant is doing in a couple of weeks. Yay!